Hey guys, welcome back to another JSpizzle Crypto YouTube video. Guys, today we have an emergency video. The price of Bitcoin is actually going up following the news of all the bombings that's been happening, which is extremely peculiar. And I just found a chart, a pattern in the chart where we are having a imminent breakout. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I found this chart right here, this triangle pattern, and what makes a pattern is two or more touches. So we have a touch here, here, and here. Also, you can see all the touches up here. Now we are just over the middle of here, and we could pull this bottom line down right here, and we could come back down here and touch here at 64,300, or we could pull this out and it could come down and touch anywhere between like 63,700 up to 64,000, depending on where it breaks out. But right here at 65,760 is when the news broke. We immediately dumped down, got a perfect touch off of here, and from now we are actually above where we broke out of, which is very, very strange for such a catastrophic news event. The question everyone has right now is, where are we going next? Well, guys, I would be very, very careful trying to trade this, just because what could happen next is based on a real world event. I made a video today earlier saying that I think the worst of it is over. And now, while the breaking of the news may have been over mainly, there was a lot of other stuff that came out that I just did not think was going to happen. So much retaliation, like bombings in Dubai. I just never saw that coming. I mean, that's just absolutely horrible. I just got back from Dubai not even 3 weeks ago, and some of the places that I visited literally got bombed. And I mean, I'm just torn up. I mean, I have a picture right there on my wall of the Burj Khalifa. You can't see it, but I mean, it's like a home to me, and I've only been away for 3 weeks, and I wanna go back, and, it's just all horrible. Um, and so I would be very, very careful trading this, but if you do, and you wanna know the price, breakout, my target for the breakout, let's just say we come to about halfway right here of this pattern. I'd call this halfway because you almost never come all the way down here. The breakout would be around 80,700, which would be in this range. Let's call it. It could potentially come up here and get resistance here, or up here. So somewhere in here, I'd be taking profits. Starting right here, I would take profits just below 79,000. And then I would be probably pulling out of this trade completely right around here, around $84,000. Now, if we fall down, now watch this, because this is very, very interesting. If we were to fall down from here, this would be taking us around 53,000. Why is that interesting? Well, that would take us all the way down to the support from these wicks that we had down here, and this would also create for us a higher low. So we wouldn't be going below these wicks here, and would actually create a higher high. Now, but the question remains, where do I think we're going to go? Well, I made this video. I made a video about this last week, and I'll probably be making a video about it next week also. We have one, two, three, four, five, six red weekly candlesticks in a row. Let me just zoom out for you. We do not see that very often. Maybe back here in March of 2022. But I do not see six red candlesticks besides that. Maybe you're right here. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, there you go. And then we had a massive pump back up into all-time high. It's very, very uncommon to have this many weekly red candlesticks in a row. However, anything could happen. I love this wick coming from the bottom. So honestly, I don't really have an opinion, just because of the real world events going on right now. I would like to say that, maybe we'll have a bullish W pattern breakout, just like that, break the neckline and continue going up. But time will tell, and we can trade the breakout respectfully. But I made this the word earlier this morning. If you watch to the end of this video, I want to know who my real one, day one, stay ones are. And if you would join with me today, please comment the word peace. Peace on earth. Comment the word peace in the comments so I know who watches till the end of this video, my real one, day one, stay ones. But yeah, stay safe out there, guys. God bless you. Until the next time, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.